If you've purchased the standard hinge from us and your shutter's going to open simply like this, you will find straight away that the hinge has one flat back on it and an L shape to it. Easily rectified by putting it on the bench, and of course one side's flat. What that needs to do is the hook needs to be on the face of the shutter. So you'd stand that up to administer it, and it must be able to hook on that side. It cannot be allowed to go through like that, because you'll find it will give you nothing but problems. Just out of tradition, we make the height of the hinge, just the width of the hinge down from the top and up from the bottom, just so when you do a lot of them they're all the same height. Merely slip that on there, go to the mark, administer those 3 screws, top and bottom. Then to install the shutter, we then take a 10-cent piece, sit that on the bottom, pick up the shutter with your hinges on it, sit it into the opening and mark the top of the hinge. Then we take one of those hinges, the same hinge, which is actually hooked on the shutter this way, but for this instance we turn it around so it hooks on that way. And then it enables us then to just put a mark on the 2 remaining holes in the hinge. So there's 2 holes go into the window frame and 3 holes go onto the shutter. Having marked and drilled that, we can then just fold the hinge back on itself. You'll find that'll line up with that hole, and just put a screw in it. And then the same will be on the bottom, and it'll be exactly done.